Hey everyone, Leigh Goldstein here from 10 Minute Trades. I want to welcome you to this week's Trade of the Week. And it is part of our Welcome to the Crush Earnings Challenge. So let me show you what took place in the trade room. It was quite a great trade. As you know, we do a lot of research as we get ready for our trades of the week. My name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the Trading Director for 10 Minute Trades. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It is possible to lose money trading futures. We do a tremendous amount of research, checking all the events and the way they've behaved so we can create new trades of the week. This week, earnings, which require a tremendous amount of research. Facebook, or Meta, was an excellent trade. Let me show you what took place in the trade. Regarding Meta, or Facebook, we had years of research that told us what time to expect the earnings. One of the first tools that we used to create our earnings setups, obviously, are the calendars, which give us an idea when the earnings are going to be released. Earnings are not released like a jobs report or GDP. They're a little bit more random and a little bit trickier because the companies can release earnings when they want to. They give us a general idea, but it's not down to the second like it can be on some of our other events. With Facebook, we did have years of research telling us that their earnings would be at a very expected time of day. For over 2 years of earnings releases, Facebook had never released their earnings before 5 minutes after 4 p.m. Eastern Time. We got ready to take the trade in the trade room last week. 5 minutes after 4 came and it went. 6 minutes came and went. 7 minutes came and went. 8 minutes came and went. It was extremely nerve-wracking because you don't like to wait around expecting earnings, trying to keep your orders out of the way of being filled, and watch what happens. Finally, Meta releases their earnings 10 minutes after 4, 5 minutes late, but a beautiful explosion, 1,025 in profit in literally about 15 seconds being in the market. It had, in my software, we had a 125 tick target as our third target. I didn't have to do anything. It hit that target. Having huge targets on some of these earnings trades is a great way to not use a lot of extra risk with extra contracts, but adding huge targets when we know that some of these trades really explode. Look at that, it hits that target. That's a way to get extra profit without putting on more contracts and adding extra risk. So obviously this week, Facebook, Meta, qualifies as our trade of the week. I was down $345 before the event. The profit was $10.25. There is the realized profit. Wound up having a great day. Nothing like making $1,000 in a couple of seconds on an earnings trade. So thanks for watching. Meta's earnings, great play in the trade room, live real money. Hope you're having a great weekend. That, my friends, is this week's Trade of the Week. Take care, and I'll see you in the trade room.